Hello, my dear students. How are you today? Last time we talked about the second conditional of F, which consists of past simple plus would plus the infinitive, and we used this conditional to describe the probability, and also we explained that we use the gerund which consists of a verb plus ing after the feeling verbs like hate, love, avoid, look forward, and so on. Today we will write a composition about the octopus. Okay? Many animals live on the chimneys deep in the ocean. Scientists have seen the octopus near the chimneys. Now look at the picture, talk about it, and there are many questions. What color is it? What shape is it? How big are its eyes? It is an octopus. We have here some phrases, some notes, and we had to complete these phrases using some words to give a complete idea. Has two large fins. Fins look like big ears. Is known as the Dumbo octopus. Dumbo the elephant is in a Disney film. Fins help it to swim, moves slowly, lives in deep sea 100 to 5,000 meters, can grow to 20 centimeters, eats shellfish, snails, worms, finds these on chimneys, has a strong bite, small, but scientists watched it attack their submersible. These are phrases, informations about the Dumbo octopus, and we will write sentences, complete sentences to give us a complete idea. It has no meaning, has no idea. We will write a paragraph about the octopus. Remember that the notes are often phrases. You need to add other words to make a complete complete sentences. We will also draw a diagram and we will label it. Use these words. We will draw the octopus and have an arrow. We will write body, fin, an arrow to refer to the fin, an arrow to refer to eye, and an arrow to refer to the tentacles. We will draw a diagram and write a caption for the diagram. Okay, for example, listen to this model and we will write of your own point of view, but this is a model. This octopus is orange. Listen carefully, please. This octopus is orange. Its body is round and it has 8 tentacles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Its eyes are small. It has 2 large fins. They look like big ears. It is known as Dumbo octopus. I used these phrases. I added some words only. Dumbo was the elephant in a Disney film. The fins help the octopus to swim. It lives in the sea from 100 to 5,000 meters deep. Scientists have found it near deep sea chimneys. It can grow to 20 centimeters. It eats shellfish, snails, and worms. It can find this food near chimneys. It has a strong bite. The Dumbo octopus is a small animal, but scientists watched one dumb octopus attack their submersible. All I done is to add some words and have complete sentences. Uses these phrases, these notes, this information about the Dumbo octopus. Your homework will be on your workbook page 98. Write a preparation, look at the picture and read the caption. Chimneys can grow up to 60 meters tall. I will write about the chimney and I have labels, arrows to refer to these creatures: hot water, rock, tube worm, spider crab, fish, snail and octopus. We will write these words in these places. What do you think? This, for example, this is the worm, tube worm, and hot water. Where is the hot water? This is the rock. This is a fish. We will write this is an octopus, and so on. My homework is to read these notes. Also, we have here phrases. Remember, notes are often phrases. You may need to add other words like we did in your Bible book. We had phrases and we added some words to make complete sentences. Chimneys in deep ocean, 1000 meters. How a chimney is made. Hot water escapes from under ocean floor. Tiny bites of rock in hot water. Tiny bites of rock pile up. Chimney grows taller. Some chimneys 100 years old. Many animals live on chimneys. All you had to do is to add some words to give a complete sentences. Write about deep sea chimneys. Use the notes, use the picture, the labels and the caption to help you. We will write here the deep ocean chimneys and we will add some pronouns, some verb to be, some verbs to give us a complete sentences and write them on these lines. Now listen carefully to this listening. We will complete the story of our or we had a new story. It is called Diamond Guest. Listen carefully.
Diamond Quest Part 1. The kingdom of Zorula was a beautiful land with mountains, lakes, rivers, dark forests, and old castles. The king of Zorula was King Olaf. He was a kind man and a good king, but he was very old. King Olaf and his beautiful daughter, Princess Corina, lived in a magnificent white castle on a hill. There was another castle in Zorula,